Etsy just rolled out a brand new shipping setting that I'm going to give you guys a demo of, and it is for holiday processing times. So, processing times are considered in the estimate that Etsy gives buyers when they buy something. So, when they buy something, Etsy takes into account the processing times that you have put on the shipping profile, as well as the shipping times. So, if you do priority mail, usually that's like 2 to 3 days shipping time, and then if you have like 1 to 3 days processing, Etsy will add those timeframes together and give someone an estimate of whatever that is, 7 days, 8 days, where they can expect their order. Well, the problem comes or arises when there's holidays or weekends where you don't actually fulfill orders. And the processing times take those days into account. So it basically skews the processing times and does not give people an accurate depiction of when they're going to get the order. So here, Etsy is fixing that. They rolled out the holiday processing time toggle, and then they also in the past rolled out the weekend processing time toggle. So let's go in. I'm going to show you how to do this. If you go to the settings tab here and then you click on shipping settings, that is how I got here. And then at the top here, you'll see your processing days and holidays option. Here are my shipping profiles that I have set up, and this is where you actually can go in and change your specific processing times. You can see here processing times 1 to 3 days, 5 to 7 days, 1 day. So it depends on your shipping profile, what you want to set your processing times at. But you can go in there and create profiles. If you ship the same items, you can have the same processing times and the same shipping profile. If you want to have multiple profiles, you can do that and apply it to different listings. But here's where you change the processing times. So I have mine at 1 to 3 days. It's a pretty good time frame. So I want to go up here at the top, hit edit to basically toggle the holiday times. And you can see, when do you process orders? If you process Saturday and Sunday, you can click these and it will include those days in the processing time. So if you have 1 to 3 days processing time, someone buys on Friday, and then you have Saturday, Sunday, that order is going to be expected to be shipped by Monday if you have these toggled on. If you don't have these toggled on, someone buys on Friday, that order is not going to, the processing times aren't going to start until that following week. So the order is not going to be expected shipped by Wednesday. I don't think that they include the day that it was bought in the processing times, but don't quote me on that. Either way, you get the idea. So if you want to process on the weekends, you can toggle these on. Some people want that, where basically they don't want people to think that their order is not going to ship out for another couple of days and lose that business. So they want to toggle these on, and maybe you do fulfill orders Saturday. Obviously, shipping doesn't go out on Sundays, but it doesn't mean that you can't get the order ready for Monday. And then holidays, you can toggle these on if you don't want to include these in the processing times. I'm not going to toggle these on because I don't process orders on the holidays because the post office is closed. So there's no point in me toggling these on. But again, if you want this to be included in the processing times, you can toggle these on, do all of them, toggle them off. So I'm going to leave mine off. I just process orders Monday through Friday, so that is how I'm going to leave it. So I like this extra flexibility where Etsy just doesn't assume that you're processing every day, and you can turn these on or off. But by default, I think they have these all off. But either way, go in and check this inside your shipping profile to see if they're toggled on, they're toggled off, and set this up accordingly so it fits your business best and it benefits the customer so they get the accurate expectation when they order, when they're going to get or expect to get that order. It really goes a long way in getting those 5-star reviews, which you all want. So check it. Hopefully that helps. Talk to you guys soon.